Hey babes, it's your girls with Bay and back with another video. And today we're doing a Shein Halloween wig haul. Yes, I got 3 wigs from Shein, and all of these are going to be perfect for cosplay, Halloween, dress up, whatever you need. So they're very unique pieces. These are not going to be your everyday wig. I mean, it could if you wanted it to, so you know, I'm just saying. But anyways, I got 3 wigs I'm gonna try on for you, show you guys how it looks like, and this could possibly help you for your costume if any of these wigs go with your outfit that you're doing this year. So I'm giving this to you guys early so you all have time to get your costumes ready, because normally I'm always so last minute. I mean, I post throughout the month, but I'm trying to post all my Halloween content before mid-October, so y'all have about 2 weeks to get your costumes ready. Okay, so enough chit-chatting, let's get into the video. But before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media platforms at It's Zay Bay Bay. I gotta slow down when I talk because I talk really fast. Okay, let's get into the first wig. This format of the video is gonna be a little bit different because I'm gonna be trying on the wigs in real time instead of putting it on, then finessing it, and then show you guys how it looks like. You're gonna see how it looks like on my head. Okay, so the first wig is this wig. It's a blue wig, and it's actually a ponytail wig. So this is the base of the wig, and this is the ponytails of the wig. And this wig reminds me of Hatsune, that Vocaloid singer. The one's like, she's not real, but you know, she's like animated and she sings songs, so it kind of gives me that kind of vibe. So I'm gonna put it on my head. Let me go get a brush so I can like do this wig, because I feel like this is gonna be a lot. So first we're gonna put on the base of the wig. I already brushed it out so it looks nice and smooth. And it also came with a random little pigtail right here, but I took it out because I felt like it just served no purpose really, because I tried to move it around. It just didn't make any sense, so I just took it out. So the wig has adjustable straps, and that's about it. No combs, no nothing. So if you do wear this, I will 100% suggest you put pins in your hair. Y'all know I'm not the biggest fan of Shein synthetic wigs. They just feel really weird on my skin. I can't explain it. It just feels weird. It just feels weird. Like, especially the straight hair textures, it just feels like, ugh, like I don't want it on my neck. But you know what? This is actually kind of cute as is. This is kind of cute, you know? And like, this wig is a 3-in-1, because you wear it just like this. You can wear it with the ponytails, the pigtails, or you can just wear a single one. So this is kind of cute. Like, okay, she's not bad. Okay, so let's put in the first ponytail. This is the type of hair that you gotta take your time in brushing, because it can get really naughty. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It has a clip. It looks like a little drawstring or something, I guess, to tighten it or whatnot. I'm not sure what the purpose of that is really, but we'll see. But yeah, so it looks like. So you pretty much just take the wig or take the ponytail and you clamp it onto the wig like this, I believe. Do I like it like this? Hold on, maybe more like, I'm trying to find the right position for this wig. Okay, the ponytail, okay, that's cute. Oh, you can do like a side pony. This could be like a side pony moment. Oh, okay, she kind of cute. You know? This is a fun wig. This is a fun wig. I'm having fun with this. I'm having fun. Okay, it's crazy. I've always seen these type of cosplay wigs on Amazon. I always wanted to like try it out. So here we are, trying it out. Okay, so I'm gonna take it and we're gonna clip it right here. Right here. Trying to get it to like clip in is like actually a lot harder than it seems. Okay. All right, so this is the first wig altogether, and honestly, I feel like I don't really have to do anything to it. I kind of like it the way it is. Like, she's cute. I have no complaints. I actually kind of like it just like this. I was thinking maybe I should cut it or shape it or whatnot, but the bangs are not really in my face, and actually the hair is not annoying me as much as I thought it would. But it's actually a really cute wig. Like, you could be a clown with this wig, you could be a fairy. I know there's tons of like anime characters with this kind of hairstyle, but it's a really fun wig, honestly. It's very interesting. It's very interesting. Very interesting. I'm going to turn it to the back so you can see how it looks like. I don't know if y'all can see it. It might look kind of crazy. But it's the vibe though. It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. And then I want to see how it looks like if I were to do like a single pony. Oh my god, no! This looks so crazy. Okay, maybe like a little bit back. Okay, maybe back like this looks cuter. Yeah, like a back pony. That looks so much cuter. Okay. Okay, so this wig is fun. This is a really fun wig. And the texture is not bothering me as much, to be honest. Like, I thought it was gonna be irritating me, but no. This is a cute wig. Touch, 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 much, 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 much. I don't know, this gives me that kind of vibe. Next wig. This wig is also very interesting. It's also a ponytail wig, but it's a very interesting ponytail wig. There's a lot going on. Oh my god. There's a lot going on with this wig. There's a lot of pieces. Oh my god, I think this is so silky, like it keeps falling. Okay. This is a black wig. I'm trying to figure out where the front is. Okay, this seems like it's the front. Okay. Very similar style to the blue one when it comes to the base. So let's brush it out. And it has no combs, just an adjustable strap. That's it. Low key, I'm not gonna lie. It kind of eats like this. Just like, it's a sleigh. It kind of eats. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. The base itself is nice. It's nice. I just don't know what the bangs are supposed to do. It's supposed to be like this way, but I don't like it in my eyes, so I'd rather it like be to the side like that. I think that's more like my vibe. Like, oh, okay. Okay. Okay, she cute. She cute, she cute. Okay, so when I say this is multiple pieces, it's multiple pieces. So this right here is technically 2 pieces. You have the bun, you have this chain, and then you have the ponytail. So you could wear it as the bun, like with the bun alone, or you could wear it with the piece in the chain. So I'm gonna brush this out. And this is that synthetic hair that's like really like tangly. It does have like a net over it. There's like a net over the bun. So I guess to keep the bun in place. So I have to figure out how this is supposed to go. I think it needs to come out more to the side. Like more like maybe like right here. It's more of a vibe. I'm trying to figure out how this is gonna work on my head. I'm trying to find like the right placement. But I feel like this needs to be like a little bit more behind because you gotta see the work. Okay, this is interesting. It feels really heavy though. Like I feel it weighing down the wig. And by the way, I already opened this because I wanted to put this together because I didn't want to put this together on camera. But the bun came separate and then the ponytail came separate, and then you had to clip everything together. I don't know if it's perfect. I think I'm gonna have to pin these down, like pin this right here. Let me get some pins. This sticking out, this looks kind of weird to me, so I'm gonna take the pin. Okay, cool. Okay, that helped it look more better. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's pretty long. It's like right to my hip, and I'm about 2.5, 5'3". So this is how it looks like. It's a cute wig. It's not bad. I don't think I would ever wear it just with the, you know what? Does it look cute with just the buns? Hold on. You know what? She's kind of cute with the buns too. Okay, okay. Can I wear this with a single ponytail? Possibly. Should we try it? I think we should try. Okay, let's try it and see how it looks like. Ooh, wait a minute, it's like a weapon. I don't even know what character you will cosplay, but I feel like you could be like, you can make this wig into anything you want. Like whatever character you want to be. I feel like if they had like black hair, you could just finesse it and give them like an alt look. But this is really, really interesting. I just wish that like this would just pin better. Let me get another pin. Okay. Okay, the pin helped it a lot better. But now looking at it, at first I was kind of skeptical, but after I pinned everything in, She's kind of cute. She's kind of, I like. Oh, she's kind of cute. It's the vibe. Once I just get this, the mechanics, the mechanisms of this to work, I think this can be really cute. So we're also gonna see how it looks like as a bun. So if my head, and as a bun, I mean, I guess it's cute. It's not as nice as the other one, but it's okay. It's okay, you know? And you definitely want to play with the placement of these like ponytails. Maybe you could put them like really high up, like this. Like really close together, like that. That is actually a lot cuter, but you don't get to see the detail of the chains as much when it's like hanging on the side, but it's still kind of cute. So we're gonna go to the last and final wig. So the final wig. This wig is very, very interesting. You're probably like, Zeta, what the hell is this? It has a very strong chemical smell. I don't like the chemical smell that's coming out of this, to be honest. Okay. Ooh, this is chemically. Ooh, this does not have a good smell. Ooh, this is gonna be a headache. Okay. Is that like a random curl just coming out the hair? That's insane. Okay. So it's supposed to look like this, but as you can see, it's kind of flopping down. So I think I might have to put stuff in it. Ooh, it smells so bad. Oh, it's nauseating. I don't like the smell of this. I don't like the smell of this. Okay, I'm gonna have to find something, some stuff to stuff this in here because it's not standing up straight. I don't know what's in this to make this smell so like, ugh, this is giving me a headache. I'm not gonna wear this for that long because this smells too much. So I put some like shopping bags in it. And yeah, I have to put my chair down a little bit so y'all can see. It's pretty high, like, there we go. Can I finesse this? Oh, God. Okay, it has like little like sideburns right here. So, sideburns right here. This would be cute for like a Bride of Frankenstein kind of look. If this came in like blue, this would be a really good like Marge wig. But the hair itself is cute. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's really cute. I probably will have to cut some of this off because it's doing a lot. It's doing a lot right now. So we're gonna just cut some of this sideburns off. Oof. It keeps like going back, but this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like on my head. It's not bad. It's not bad, but it will make a really good like Franken baddie kind of look, you know? If you were to add like a white streak. It's cute, but the smell, oof, I can't do the smell. I can't do the smell. Oh, I'm gonna have to like Febreze that or something. Look how short I had to bring my chairs just so y'all can see how tall that wig is. But yeah, that is the end of my, oh, I got random little hairs all over me. Oh, it made my head feel itchy. Ooh. Okay, but that's the end of my Shein Halloween wig haul. Let me know which one is your favorite. We'll be using two of the wigs. Hopefully two of the wigs, definitely one of the wigs for one of my Halloween looks, and y'all will see what it is. But yeah, if you want to see any of my Halloween makeup looks, they will be on my playlist. There's a Halloween 2024 playlist, 2023 playlist, and 2022 playlist. So you guys have almost 20 videos worth of Halloween playlists if y'all are really like interested in it. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, follow me on all my social media platforms. It's Baby, and I'll see you guys again in another video. Bye.